Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by matching your display resolution so images stay crisp. Pick files equal to or larger than the panel. Once chosen, put them in one synced folder and back up originals to avoid accidental edits. Next, decide whether you want the OS wallpaper picker or a dedicated manager for multi-monitor scaling and per-monitor positioning. This first step saves time later, because you won't need to resample or hunt for files while configuring transitions and scaling options. Now you configure how each image fills the screen so composition and sharpness stay intact. You choose fill, fit, stretch, or a custom crop per monitor. Make sure display scaling and DPI settings match so fonts and details remain sharp. Once done, check color profile and gamma because mismatches can make wallpapers look flat. Adjust the image or monitor profile to restore intended contrast. Finally, lock settings so the manager or OS won't resample images on each startup. Finish by deciding if you want a static look or periodic rotation. Enable high-quality transitions only if CPU/GPU impact is acceptable. Save your layout as a profile so you can restore exact positioning after updates or new displays. If things go wrong and images look blurry or misaligned, first recheck source resolution and OS scaling, then disable any auto-resize or compression features in the Wallpaper Manager. If color shifts persist, swap the color profile or re-export the image with sRGB to match most displays.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.